Pradeep. I'm singing Thursday session. Today I'm going to recite the poem Puppy and I. Let's start. I meet a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to? The man said. I said to the man as he went by down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No or not? I meet a horse as went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going, horse? Where are you going to, horse? Today I said to the horse as he went by down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No or not? I meet a puppy as I went walking, and we got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going to? Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by up in the hills to the road and plain. Will you come with me? Puppy said I. New words, village, hills, bread, hay, road, play. Hey, hey, Millie. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Pradeep. I'm from Thursday session. Today I'm going to recite the poem Train. Let's start. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the river car, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying men, bring their precious load in without fail. Thousands of red cars all rushing on. Today their darkness, to dark and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the river comes, here come the trains. New words, mountain, passengers, river, pressures,